So tomorrow, the Fed is going to have a big day in front of them, at least from the data that is coming out. Tomorrow, we have CPI or inflation data coming. This is going to be huge for the cryptocurrency markets. You guys can trade on these days. Usually, we expect to see a lot of volatility, either up or down. You guys know you can short the market, long the market using MargX. My link is down below. Definitely sign up, get ready to roll, because the markets are about to make some big shifts and moves. We talked about it recently today on our X Space. We've been talking about it all week. China, I think, is getting ready to pump the markets. We're hearing that from multiple sources. The stimulus that's coming in. We're going to have more clarity after the election. Things, I think, right now are just aligning perfectly for crypto, and tomorrow could be big. And that is your breaking crypto news that we're going to talk about right now. Fed minutes have been released, and we're going to dive into what we know, how we can unpack what we have in front of us ahead of tomorrow's big meeting. So, guys, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe down below, and let's freaking go. Let's dive right in, because critical Fed minutes have been released. Here's what you need to know as a crypto investor. The Federal Reserve just released the minutes of its September meeting, providing information on the central bank's ongoing evaluation of the economy and where we could be going in terms of monetary policy. We recently just had a 50 basis point move last time they met, and these minutes suggest that while a majority of the Fed officials believe the risk of high inflation has receded, there still are some concerns out there about tapering policy restrictions too quickly. So maybe a 25 basis point move. Well, there's more here. Many people are warning that premature or excessive easing of policy, monetary policy, could stall or reverse progress in fighting inflation. The minutes noted that the United States economy remains solid, but growth forecasts for the second half of this year were revised downward due to weaker than expected labor force indicators. We took a look at that early this morning on our Breakfast Club as well. Make sure you guys are joining us on our X Spaces. You're following me over on X. I post a lot of content over there. It's right here, link down below in the description. If you guys are interested in heading over there, you definitely should be. Totally free to follow me over there. But the minutes highlighted some interesting things. A lot of uncertainty out there still. Long-term neutral interest rates, in terms of, maybe we're just going to kind of stay the same here. Or we're going to get a slow 25 basis point cut that could offer a more predictable path to normalizing rates. At the September meeting, all members ultimately supported the rate cut, with several officials indicating they would support a 25 basis point cut. The July meeting was referenced in the discussion, with some people seeing a reasonable case for 25. However, the majority favored a 50 basis point cut, underscoring a general consensus for more significant easing at this time. And we're going to see what tomorrow's inflation data brings us. Obviously, this is going to have a big impact on the overall markets. Bitcoin right now tumbling down to $61,100 right now. A big sell-off here on Bitcoin as we get ahead of CPI. Usually we have a lot of this happen. Volatility again. Again, great time to leverage trade, make some plays. Usually we see where the market responds, and then we can make some plays a couple days after. So we'll be looking to do that toward the end of the week here on Bitcoin. We do have some cryptos moving despite all of this. Chiliz is up 15+%. A couple meme coins in the mix. Doge is actually up a little bit today. Leo pumping on that big BITUNIX news that, they're going to be getting back those hacked funds. And Leo, they could be buying back Leo because of it. So it's pumping a little bit on that news. Tron's actually in the green today, still above 16 cents right now. XRP, a lot of eyes on XRP right now. And I'm just kind of running through some big things here. A lot of eyes on XRP. Put out a big thread talking about XRP, why an ETF looks like it could be coming, okay? September 12th, Grayscale opened up their XRP trust. October 2nd, Bitwise filed for an XRP ETF. October 8th, Canary Capital files for an XRP ETF. Ripple's swell event is coming up next week. That's a big sign that we could have some big announcements supposedly coming during this event. Now, I'm not saying XRP is going to go to $1,000 tomorrow, like some people will say, but I can say that I am making some plays here, betting on XRP to go up in the short to mid-term, and that's why I've got some long positions opened up on MargX again. And guys, you guys can obviously trade with me on Margex, but if you want to know when charts are really breaking up and breaking down, utilize my indicator, okay? And I'm going to tell you guys this straight up. It's a little over $1 a day. This thing freaking works. I've had it out for over a year now. If you're serious about making money in the markets, you need some type of indicator like this. You could set up your own customized alerts. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I promise you it will help you. And if not, full refund. No questions asked. There's barely any risk here at all because it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. And these prices are slashed down by 21%. All these packages, monthly, quarterly, yearly. And you guys can see right here on the XRP chart what this thing has done. It called momentum ups here at the right times, especially if we zoom out into like the 1 month time frame. Here was your momentum up on XRP back in 2020 when it was, on its way to make some big gains there, even amid the last bull run. So with that being said, links down below to XT Algo. We had a SUI pump recently, right? The reason why I was able to make such a play on SUI, if we go into the daily here, it's because we got the indicator we needed. Okay, boom, right here. This was a big indicator. We added a lot more to our position at $1.04. Look at that. It's an 83% move to the upside in less than a month, all because we had XT Algo triggering us on SUI alerts. But guys, big day tomorrow. CPI data will be released. Expect some volatility in the markets. I think we're seeing it right now actually play out. Bitcoin's tumbling. I'm going to be a buyer down here at 60K, anywhere from 57 to 63,000. I think it's a good window for me personally to be accumulating. That's what I'm kind of looking at right now. Ethereum, I'm kind of letting be. I'm not really touching it, not really accumulating much there right now. There are some other cryptos that I'm looking at. SUI right here at 191. We've got a good position there. Just watching it right now. BitTens are towel dipping. Caspa's getting down to some interesting levels. Okay, down here at 13 cents. I don't hate it. There are some others here that I really jump out of me. Going to have a video coming out on HBAR. This thing has been depressed. I mean, 5 cents right now on HBAR. I think this is a very interesting play. Let's see here. Ondo Finance back down to 66 cents. Very interesting play. Jasmy down here under 2 cents right now. Very interesting. On a big support line right now that we were here last month. We went up from this point all the way back up to 2.5 cents. It wouldn't take much to get Jasmy up and pumping again. So those are some things we're looking at right now. But again, Fed minutes have been released. Tomorrow's CPI data will be huge. That's inflation data. We'll see exactly which direction we may go in terms of the next big decision from the Feds. I'm forecasting a 25 basis point move. They were giving a good median projection, average projection of 2 more 25 basis point moves, even after the 50 basis point move that we already got. That is kind of where my head is right now. Let me know your guys' opinions on this, your ideas, your thoughts, everything down below. Do not forget to subscribe, smash the like button. We'll see you in the next video. We'll see you tomorrow on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Peace out.